Ice baths have long been a staple in athletic repair and recovery, and they have many benefits for our health and well-being. Recent research shows that timing may be crucial, particularly when it comes to enhancing muscle growth. After we exercise, our muscles undergo a recovery process, and inflammation plays a key role in that and enhances growth and recovery. However, jumping into an ice bath immediately after training can increase our inflammation by so much that it impairs our body's natural repair and growth processes. So if you're looking to enhance your muscle gains, it wouldn't be advisable to jump in an ice bath straight after your training. However, there are many wider benefits of ice baths provided the timing is correct. Research has shown they can decrease muscle soreness, improve recovery, and enhance subsequent performance. They can also stimulate the central nervous system, thereby improving mental clarity and improving mood. So whilst an immediate post-workout ice bath might limit your muscle gains, incorporated as a wider practice, it can enhance your overall training routine. Just another example of how in health, wellness, and performance, timing and dose is really key to the result.